When the judge sentenced Sheryl Abel to 20 years in prison, he said he was tired of looking at her. Sheryl will never be that low again, turning her life around as she turns other lives around. Her motto is, "Let me guide you."
I was standing before Judge Ronald Banks. And when he sentenced me to 20 years, he told me he was tired of looking at me. God, you gotta take me through 9.5 years away from my family. You gotta take me through 9.5 years knowing that I can't mother my son. You gotta take me through 9.5 years knowing that my mother's health is gonna be well and that she'll get help from other family members. And all those things that I was putting before God, God was instilling something in me that I never knew was gonna become this big. How was school today? It was good. That's when my life changed. Good morning, thank you for calling Hope Inc. The community society is not gonna be ready to accept me back because all they're gonna do is look back at my past. My future is still gonna be in question. So entrepreneurship clicks in my mind. If you won't do it, I'll build my own foundation. The vision started to become clear to me. You're late, 9 o'clock. Baby, I was on roller skates. Oh, let me tell you what I'm gonna do in the backyard. This wall, the reason I'm really excited about being here is because I know this place will change lives. That energizes me. Yes, I'm excited. I'm like an energized bunny. I gotta do it. I can make this work. I hang out with the ones that have dropped out of school. I hang out with the ones that think they can't make it. A C student, but you can become an A and B student. Been there, done that. I meet them where they are. Awesome. Give me some. What's your name? I want it to be a chain reaction. I can't keep hope. I gotta keep hope alive. I love the sign. Let me guide you. Do you know I was just riding down the street going north looking for some more little knickknacks that I needed for the office. And I saw this sign in a neon store. I was like, yes, that's the sign. Let me guide